G'day guys, how you going? My name's Brendan from On Point Adventures, and today we're doing the 5 things we love about our Aeroo fishing drone. This is going to be a good episode, guys, so get ready and let's get into it. So the first thing we love about our Aeroo drone is the fact that it's an Aeroo. Now, of course it's an Aeroo. That's what the whole video is about. But why do we love the fact it's an Aeroo? Since using Aeroo drones, not only have we found their customer service to be fantastic, understanding, but their delivery times on shipment is generally super quick. Anything we need is just a simple email away and we've got an answer very quick. And then if we get really stuck, we just jump on the Aeroo Facebook page and there's a whole community dedicated to these with absolutely tons of information to get you through any little bit of, I guess, problems that you may be having. So there's number 1. Number 2, this little fella right up the front there, the camera. Now, with a drone, a lot of people buy this purely just as a fishing drone. However, we didn't want this as just a fishing drone. On YouTube, obviously, we need to get a lot of aerial shots that need to be super crisp and clear. A lot of fishing drones don't offer great cameras, where this here is a super high definition 4K camera. And the 4K really does shine through when you're editing and you've got to blow stuff up or make stuff a little bit different, or do what you need to do. The gimbal on this has been super reliable, very responsive, and the best thing about the gimbal as well is it's completely tunable to how fast you want up and down and so forth. So given that, it's been fantastic. We've been shooting baits out pretty quick on these, and we've been able to quickly throw the gimbal straight down to have a look what's below us and get it back up to keep continuing forward when we've needed to be. So certainly that camera there is a massive plus on this drone. Not only is it a fishing drone, but you can film whatever you want on it. Number 3 is the price. Now, I think this is unarguable. For what you get with this, it's about $1,700 odd, or well under $2,000 anyway, you're getting a super quick, heavy duty drone that can fly in almost most conditions that you'd want to fish in anyway. You're getting 2 batteries, you're getting a beautiful hard case, you're getting spare props, a good remote and so forth. So for the price you're paying for this, you're actually getting more value than a lot of the other brands that you're paying a lot more for. Now, I know what you're going to say quickly. You're going to say, yeah, but the other drones are waterproof. Well, yeah, okay, they are. You're right. They are waterproof. But my argument with that is, if I'm flying a drone 600 meters to 1,000 meters offshore and that hits the water, waterproof doesn't matter. You're not getting it back. So to me, a waterproof drone isn't as important as a lot of people make it out to be, because regardless waterproof or not, you don't want these things hitting the water. So why anticipate it? As I said, I know a lot of guys with waterproof drones who have never seen them again. So waterproof doesn't make a difference. So number 4 is definitely the remote, the app and the interface. This is spectacular. So as you can see, or I hope you can up there, you can see where we're droning today. We've got satellite imagery on there, which a lot of other drones do have, fine. But what we can do now is every time we shoot a drone out and we drop our bait, it gives us the option up on the screen, do you want to save drop point location? You hit yes, because if you bang a snapper or a dewy on that drone, all you got to do next time is touch where that drop was, and that drone is shooting straight out to that exact pinpoint location and dropping your bait literally back on the fish's head. And that is so valuable. What it also does, one of the new updates on the app, is of course we can sit at home, work out the area we're going to fish on this satellite interface here. We can mark our locations, our drop locations, prior to even getting to the beach. So when we get down, if the light is still a little bit low, or for the gimbal to really pick up definition, we can shoot baits out to exactly where we've marked them the night before and we're fishing straight away. That is an absolute game changer. The operation of this interface anyway, or this app, is super simple. Even I could work it out. There's so many modifications or options you can use to make your drone more personal to yourself, and it's all at the touch of a button. So that is super cool. Now, number 5 doesn't require me to hold anything, because number 5 is the constant updates that Aeroo is doing. Now, a lot of people are going to argue that updates are a pain in the bum, and you know, you're constantly updating and blah, 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 blah. Fight me. Because I think updates are sensational. And that is because the team at Aeroo are constantly developing new things in the app and the drone to make your flight time better, to make it a more pleasurable experience with a lot less complications and problems. And that is where Aeroo stands out. With the amount of thought the Aeroo team has put into this app and the drone itself, it means you are literally flying the easiest to fly fishing drone on the market, bar none. I mean, these drones are that good that they almost auto-calibrate. I barely ever calibrate my drone. I do it, I guess, out of habit a lot of the time. Do I need to? No, because this drone here has never ever misbehaved for me at all. And I don't anticipate it's going to. So these constant updates that Aeroo is bringing out, as much as they are a bit painful, and the night before you go flying, turn your drone on, check if there's any new ones, they're there for you as a consumer. And they really do make a massive difference. Anyway, guys, there's the 5 things I love about my Aeroo drone. Now, don't just take my word for it. I know a lot of anglers that I've fished with who have a lot of different types of drones, and they're switching to Aeroo. And the reason they're going to switch to Aeroo is simply just how simple these things are to fly, and they minimize the time in setting baits. Really, check them out. They're an absolute game changer. Anyway, if you want to know what package I'm using, just have a look down in the comments below. I'll pin it to the top and it'll have a link to the Aeroo package that I'm using. Great to have a browse through, great to sort of get familiar with, and see what you reckon. Anyway, have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you on the next episode.